Walter, the practical joker, cooked a turkey on an Oklahoma smoker. On that there is no debate. When it was done, he soon had it ate. Said, man, oh man, that was oh so fun. Good day, YouTubers. Walter's becoming quite the culinary aficionado. Shouldn't open the heat, but I gotta show you. Smoking a turkey breast. Lost some of my heat. I'm holding it around 300 degrees. We're gonna have smoked turkey breast. In the meantime, I want to show you my little thermometer thing. I bought it on Amazon.com. And I don't remember how much it was. It was 25, 30 bucks, something like that. Now this thing here is a wireless transmitter. You turn it on, it's got a battery in it. And you plug one of these probes into it. I haven't put it in the meat yet because it'll be a while before I need to know what the internal temperature is. Turn it on. Right now it says pork. Mode. Pork. I don't want pork. Let's see, meat. Turkey. There you go. There's turkey right there. Turkey 175. I was thinking poultry was 165. Anywho, all you do is plug your probe. It plugs in here. Oh no, it don't plug in here. Probe plugs into this, into the transmitter. This is wireless. So you can walk in the house, you can go wherever you want. And it'll let you know how your meat's doing in the roaster. Now you don't have to use this just on a smoker. You could use this in the house, in your regular home oven. The wires are coated with metal or something. They're heat resistant on the probe. Anyway, I thought it was a handy little doodad. I can't think of the times over the years where we had turkey or roast beef or anything else. It was either too done, too dry, too rare, not cooked enough. And if you think about it, it's a real pain to go get one of them probes out of the silverware drawer and open the door and let all your heat out of the oven and shove that up into your meat to see what the temperature is. This keeps a constant check on your meat temperature. So I think it was a good investment to buy this little doodad. I don't know what brand name it is. Yeah, well, if I had my glasses on, I could probably tell you. Oh, well, I tell you what. I got my little probe plugged into probe hole number 1. I got the thermometer stuck under my arm. I'm a turkey. And according to this, my temperature is 90 degrees. Oh boy, we got a long ways to go before I'm done. Oh, Walter's body temperature is gonna probably, if I didn't have my shirt on and all this other stuff, it probably would register 98 degrees holding it in my hand like that. Walter's not done yet. Better crank up the oven a little bit. Anyway, I got a kick out of playing with that. Turkey ain't done yet. We'll wash it off so it ain't dirty and stick it in the turkey here in a minute. Anyway, that's my little how-to on meat probes.